Hello everyone, I'm Prakriti and I'm here to tell you about a very common issue we face every day, wasting electricity without even realizing. As small as it may look, but the problem is larger, and that is why Mission Life has it in its charter. Carelessly keeping that switch on may mean nothing to us, but for some, electricity is a ray of hope. On an average, our households waste about 35% of electricity every month. This doesn't just raise our own expenditure manifolds, but burdens the country, forcing it to rely on non-renewable energy. The result? Polluting the environment. Lifestyle for Environment is a mission to identify simple acts in our daily lives that can contribute significantly to tackle climate change. Turn off the lights while leaving a room, switch to energy-efficient appliances and LED lights, unplug devices when not in use. Use natural light sources whenever available. And keep your air conditioner at 24 degrees. Save energy for better tomorrow.